Hey everyone, this is the Agilex 5 development kit. Let us see what we have got inside this development kit box. So this is the Agilex 5 development kit. It also comes with the deliverables such as heatsink and fan, Type-C cable and 12V 5A adapter. Let us talk about some of the features of Agilex 5 SoM. Now this is the SoM. So this is the Agilex 5 SoC. This SoC is of E-Series with B32A package. It consists of hard processing system as well as a field programmable gate array. So HPS consists of dual core 64-bit ARM Cortex A76 up to 1.8 GHz as well as dual core 64-bit ARM Cortex A55 up to 1.5 GHz and field programmable gate array which consists of 6,56,000 logic elements, and it consists of 24 transceivers which operate up to 28 Gbps. Right now we have the device of group B, so the transceivers operate up to 17 Gbps, and it also consists of one LPDDR that is of 32-bit and 4 GB for HPS as well as two LPDDRs for FPGA with the same specifications as 32-bit 4 GB. So this is the HPS LPDDR and this is the FPGA LPDDR1 and this is the FPGA LPDDR2. This is PMIC programming header. We have board-to-board connector 1 and board-to-board connector 2 each of 240 pins and board-to-board connector 3 of 160 pins. Let's talk about the features of this dev kit. So it consists of 2.5G Ethernet RJ45 Mac jack, Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 Mac jack, a micro SD connector, a Type-C USB connector for debugging purpose, a JTAG connector, a 20-pin PS header which consists of UART, SPI and GPIO signals, a PCIe Gen 4 with cross 4, USB 3.0 and 2.0 through Type-C, DisplayPort, FMC connector, PMOD connector, QSFP connector, HDMI in and out as well as SDI in and out. So this is the Type-C cable. One end of Type-C cable should be connected to the debug USB connector of dev kit and the other end should be connected to the PC. This is the 12V 5A adapter. This should be connected to the power jack as follows. Let us power on our dev kit. Once power is applied to the development platform as explained in the previous section, boot messages is being displayed in the debug terminal of the PC or laptop which is connected to the development platform.